Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video we will continue to our Git and GitHub project series. I assume you already download your software Git Bash. Let's open it and continue our learning series. But before that, do not forget to subscribe my channel and turn on your notification as great contents are on the way, guys. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit our text and start with our first command. I will start with the settings, git config, configurations obviously. Let's list them all first. As you can see, there are a lot of settings here, and you will able to change whatever you want. I'm going to change the name and email address. As you can see, there is two sections here, and also I'm going to change my branch name as an extra. Let's type git config --global, as they are global settings. User dot name, let's type git user. All done. By the way, you can use up and down arrow to select your previous and later commands on your git bash. Email git user at gmail.com. All done. Let's change our initial branch name. Init default branch. Hopefully I typed it correctly. Let's type main. Alright, let's list them all again. As you can see, our initial default branch is main. Username is git user and gituser@gmail.com. Or we change every detail in our setting section. Okay, let's clear our screen. I'm going to show you a little bit helper commands in our git bash. pwd shows us our path. As you can see, we are in this directory right now. Let's continue with the listing in our directory. We will continue with the desktop. Let's get in our desktop. We are in our desktop now. Okay, I'm going to create a new folder here, mkdir. Let's name it new app. I'm waiting to be created. Here we go. Here is our folder. Let's open it. Here we go. Let's get inside. New app. As you can see, we are in new app. If you would like to go back, cd space double dot, we are in desktop again. Alright, let's continue. Is there anything should I tell you? Let me have a look at my notes. By the way, I strongly suggest you use a note, actually a notebook to until remember every detail, every comments while you working. I'm still looking at my notes. It's really useful. Let me have a look. We did clear pwd cde ls. Yep. If you, by the way, if you type ls-a, you will able to see the secret files as well. But we don't have any secret file right now, so we don't have anything here. Just in case, keep that information with you. Or we can start our git init. Let's type our git init. Once I press enter from my keyboard, this folder, new app folder, will be marked as a local repository. Let's do it. Okay, as you remember, we change our branch name, initial branch name as a main. So here we go. We able to see our branch name here, and there is a secret file here .git, and it is marking our folder as a git local repository. If you delete it, everything is gone. So keep it perfectly. Don't touch it. Okay. Anything else should I tell you? Okay, everything is done. Let's create some files and try to make our first commit. Touch this command creates files. Touch test.txt file. Yep, here we go. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger to show you much more bigger. Okay, touch index.html. Let's create a little bit more file. I think it's enough. Let's have a look our status. If you type git status, you will able to see our status. What does that mean? It means these two file has been created. This is by untracked files. If you see untracked files, these two just created. So we need to add them to our staging area. I'm going to add one more file. Let's touch. Let's give a name. git.docx. There is a Word file. Perfect. Let's have a look at our status again. Here we go. There is a free nib file has been created in our working area. Let's send them to staging area. Git add command. Add is we are using add to send them to staging area. If you would like to send just one document, type their name and extension docx. Let's have a look at our status now. As you can see, changes to be committed. It means this file ready to commit, and these two is still in working area. We have to send them all to the working area. Okay, all right, let's send them all now. Git add space dot. If you use that command like this, all of them send to staging area. What is staging area? Let's go back our diagram. We were working here and we use git add command. All files are in staging area right now. So if we commit them all, they will be safe in local repository. Let's continue. Git commit dash u, and we're going to add an explanation which is mandatory. Initial start. Files are added. Oh, we cannot use, I guess. Let me have a look. I guess we shouldn't use any dot here. Let's use a comma. No. What's the problem? Oh, sorry, it's not you. We need to use double dash m. It's my bad. We are using dash u using push command. Sorry guys, it's my bad. Let's continue. All right, perfect. It's working. So we sent our files to the local repository. Let me have a look. Where's my yeah, local repository. Okay, perfect. Let's have a look at our status. Nothing on the working tree. Everything sent to local repository. Let me have a look how many minutes have been done. It's 9 minutes. Okay, let's finish this lesson here, guys, and we're going to continue with the other commands. Let me have a look at my notebook. Yeah, we're going to go through with logs, versioning, difference, yeah, restore, remove. Yeah, it seems pretty cool. Yeah, okay, let's finish this lesson here and see you on the next lesson, guys. Take care of yourself. Bye bye, and don't forget like the video and turn on your notification. It's really important for me. Take care of yourself, guys. Bye bye.